An LLC code or low-level code is a code that is automatically calculated in Business Central and in most ERP systems, and is used for being able to do planning. So if this is my hierarchy of items, some purchase items are bought and they go into manufactured items, semi-finished items, or finished goods. And some finished goods might be on higher levels than other, meaning that if you have, for instance, a bike that you're producing and now you're making a new item, which is a package of bike containing 3 bikes, my bike that used to be a top level item is now a level 1 item because the package that I'm creating is the level 0 item. And what is important here is to figure out all the items that doesn't go into other items, meaning it's not a component in any bill of material, and you can see that in Business Central from the menu tab where used, so you can see, does this item go into anything? If it doesn't, it's a low-level 0 item. So the point is that all the items that goes into a low-level 0 item are basically low-level code 1 item. But an item could go, if we look in the low-level 2 coding, the left hand of those items is on low level 2 because it goes into both a low level 0 item and a low level 1 item. And therefore, in the name low level code, we have to find the lowest possible level that it goes into. In this case, it's 2 because it has on the right hand side a low level code 1 item. And this is the way we have to do planning. So planning the item here in the middle needs to be done in low-level code 2. So we are sure that we have done planning on both the 2 items that it goes into. So the MRP planning will run in low-level codes, meaning first running here in low-level 0. So everything is planned here, then running low-level code 1. So everything is planned there, and be aware here that some of the part could be a purchase part, so where other parts are production parts, and from an understanding perspective, they could be quite different items. So you could also have a purchase item that doesn't go into anything because you just buy it and sell it. That would be a low-level code 0 item. This is the base functionality of low-level coding.